Google Lens was launched with the Pixel devices last year, but it was not available for all the Android devices. But now it's rolling out for all the Androids. So let's move in the video. Hello guys, I am Yash and you are watching Techno Thread. To get the Google Lens feature in your phone, you have to update your Google Photos application to the latest version. Let me show you the version that I have, because after this I get the Google Lens feature in my phone. For this you have to open your Google Photos application, then tap on the menu bar and then go in settings. After this, go in about Google Photos. Here's the version that I have. You have to update to this version because after this I get the Google Lens feature. To get the information about an object, you have to simply click the photo of that object. Let me show you an example. And then open the image of that object in the Google Photos. And then tap on the Google Lens icon. It will show some process. And here's the result. As you can see that all the information about this I get with the help of Google Lens. Really cool and amazing. It will also help you to scan all the text present in a box or in a screenshot so that you can copy it from there. Let me show you an example. If I click the photo of this Boya mic box and then open in Google Photos app, and with the help of Google Lens, I will get all the links and information about this. Really cool. You will find it will not recognize all the objects because it may be in the developing stage, and it also depends on how you take the photo of object that you have to use in the Google Lens feature. So that's it guys for today. If you find this video interesting, then give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question and suggestion, then let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel because I will keep making videos like this. I will meet you in the next one.